What are we looking for?
The best toy in the whole entire world.
Go, get it. What is it?
Reach for the sky. Got it.
All right, let's show us what you got.
Whoa. It's a germ checker.
It's the Superscope. So you can take literally anything and plug this into mommy's computer or any computer, and you can look at what's on the bug or the leaf or anything and see every single tiny little thing on it. And you can take it to go. You can also take it with you portable. It's portable, so it can go on vacation. It can go to Daddy's house if you wanted to, or Mickey's or Lovey's. You could like.
I want to use it right now.
Okay. So it's conventional, digital, handheld. It's got the smartphone stand, accessories included. So cool. It came in this little package. That is what you lay like the bugs on and stuff. Whoa.
How do you see it?
We can connect it to our laptop and we can inspect all these little bugs on here and everything that you want, and then see it big on the computer screen. And then watch this. This part comes out somehow. Whoa, now you have a microscope, telescope to go. You can take it everywhere.
Put it back in just in case.
This is so cute. I see rainbows right here. Do you want to come see them? They're on the blankets and on my computer, my laptop. So pretty. Oh, good. You slid it in?
Yeah.
Good job. Whoa. Are you seeing it now? Do you see it?
Yeah!
Yes! We got it. Okay, we just figured out how to get this piece open. There was a little like cover that was covering this little camera holder. It's like not really a camera, but the eyepiece. So now we can see down here. I have this attached up to my computer. We're getting ready to start our first science experiment. Microscope, little exploration.
Did it right. You did good.
Okay, I'm gonna download the application. Maybe it's on the paper first. Maybe I was wrong. I know it is a paper. Look at this little hibiscus. Good. Really look at the bristles when you do that. It looks like. Keep turning it until this gets clearer. That part. Oh, that part too. So keep turning it nice and gentle until the bristles get clear and we can see. Oh, look, that. Go back a little bit. Oh, look at that. Whoa, it looks like skin, like a reptile. Particles, flower pieces. Now let's drop this down a little bit.
Looks like an alligator.
Yeah, like a reptile skin, right?
It looks like a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's so cool. We gotta make it clear. Oh,
Okay.
you doing something else?
Let's try it out. If it's not, we can just take it off. What in...
Till it's super clear.
Whoa. This is rabbit.
Do you want to take a turn doing the squiggles? It is.
I'm in my blue sweatshirt.
Oh, your blue sweatshirt. Oh, look at those beautiful colors.
Yeah.
What did you do?
I did.
Make it just clearer. Look. Let's zoom. Play with the zoom button a little bit. Look, look, look. Sebastian, that's so pretty. Whoa.
It was gonna be
Whoa.
like the vanilla guy.
Sage, look at that.
Oh, my pleasure.
Whoa, we love it. Thank you, the STEM kids.
Thank you, the STEMKids. Thank you, STEMKids.